Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am here in the southwest area and we're here at Galloway community by Lennar, and we're going to tour one of their model homes here, which is called the Fin model. FINN. This starts at $470,990 and also at 1,624 square feet. And I know that when it comes to Lennar, everything is included. So let's take a look at what's inside. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe down below so that you won't miss any of my videos. And also appreciate those that are new to the channel. Welcome to this channel. And let us take a tour together of this home by Lennar here at Galloway. Alright guys, so this is the Fin model by Lennar, and here we go, 1,624 square feet. Look at the facade, contemporary with your two-car garage there, I believe. Alright, let's enter this home. It smells good. For some reason they probably put like a scent here. Is really nice. Alright, so the lights are not on, but we're gonna figure it out. Look at this open floor plan here, guys. And this is your dining. It's a little small on the side, but I appreciate that it is an open area, right? And I especially like this counter here. Love the cabinets as well. Look at that. This is what I like about this one. It's a really nice cabinetry. And also, look at this. Everything in its place. 42-inch cabinetry. And I think this is vented outside. As you can see there, it's very important that it's vented. Let me show you guys the entire room here. All right, you have your living room there, you have your kitchen and your dining. Let's take a look at what's here. They have this pantry area, and I believe this is the garage. Right, it's a pretty good size garage. Right there, those are the doors. Yeah, this is a pretty good size garage. Let's go back inside. See how they already installed the smart home system. And this is the half bathroom. As you can see, pretty standard, I think. And if you want, once you move in, you can replace it with the cabinetry, so you have some storage spaces. But we're back to the main living area. So this is the main living area, guys. And before we go upstairs, maybe I can show you guys the outside. If we can go outside. I think they didn't do it, or they won't allow us to go outside, but this is the door from outside, and this is what it looks like. Right? I think you can put a really small what do you call this, pool, right? Yeah, a very small one, because the lot is not too big, but at the same time I think it might fit a very small pool or a large jacuzzi. But we cannot go outside because they purposely didn't allow people to go outside with that kind of luck. But let's go to the upper area and see what's up on that area. After you move in, definitely recommended to upgrade this to a hardwood or 100% waterproof, scratch-proof vinyl plank. That would be amazing. Here we go. On the left side of this upper floor, you have the laundry area, which I definitely appreciate, because when you have your laundry area on the second floor, it will make your life easier in terms of carrying the clothes. And this one, I don't know if this is the owner's, but we can check. I believe it is, because I'm seeing something there, like an ensuite bathroom. And this is the closet here, not a big size closet. Right, so this is your, I believe, owner's, but I like what I'm seeing on the bathroom. Hello guys! Look at this design. Oh, it's not, because I'm seeing a bedroom there. So this is just a Jack and Jill. I love this cabinetry. This looks really nice. The cabinetry that they use, and also the flooring has those kind of gray grains that I like. Yeah, this is not the owner's bedroom or bathroom. See how they like this kind of tiles, guys, because these are the most easiest and fastest way to clean. You have your toilet there. So yeah, I think this one is a Jack and Jill of this bedroom that we will look at in this bedroom too. So this is the first secondary bedroom. Let's take a look at the other bedroom. Yeah, this bedroom shares that bathroom that we saw. It's a pretty good sized bedroom as well. And I like that you have the blinds, right? And look at this community, guys. They are building a lot here. There's so much space. And I just noticed, guys, you have a little bit of a view of the strip there. If I can span it, right? That view there is the strip. This strip there. Yeah, I have a little bit of a view if those houses will not be taller. So, okay. Raider is very proud. Raider fan. All right, we are. Wow, I like their secondary bedroom has its walk-in closet. It's pretty huge. Yeah, I can definitely walk here. All right, so this is just a secondary bedroom but they have their own walk-in closet. I believe now we're gonna get to the owners. Yes, so this is the owners. Ooh, I'm seeing a nice view there. Let me show it to you guys there. But before we go, you may choose this kind of wall if you want an easy one without the wall paneling. But I'm meaning the wood paneling. But I still prefer the wood paneling. And this is your owners. It's a pretty good size owner's bedroom, right? Love the darker wall paper there that they've used with a little bit of a grain. And before we go to the balcony, let me show you guys the hello. This one, right? These are quartz, I believe, because I've used this in Maryland when I was there, and I built my second home there. And for some reason, I love this style of the cabinetry. And they use that tile again for easier cleaning, but at the same time, you can definitely put your own tile design to make it more even modern and nicer. This is your separate toilet area. All right, so this is your owner's bathroom. Love the cabinetry. I'm impressed on the cabinetry. All right, I wanted to go out. Hopefully we can see it. Yes. Oh, nice. This is a pretty nice area, balcony here, where you could put your seating area here. But what I would do is I would ask the builder if they can definitely put like a railing here so that you can see the view much better when you're seated. But let me take a look at this view, guys, because I'm so into mountain views. Look at this, right? Love the mountain views there. Your backyard is are the mountains. There's a lot of development here. So much houses being built. I wonder what's in there, because it looks like they flattened it. What if there are houses there? That would be nice, right? All right, so that's your mountain view there. Let's go back to inside. And I think we haven't seen the closet area. Yes, so okay, so this is a much larger closet area because, yeah, this is definitely larger than the other one. You can actually put a really nice cabinetry here, small ones, with LED lighting. I have to read something here. It says, double as a dressing room. Walk-in closets let you organize your entire wardrobe. Lennar, everything's included. All right, that's the owner's bedroom. I think we've toured everything here on the second floor, and let's go back down. Love the lights there. You know, they added some windows there to make it brighter. But here is your, I cannot open. Oop. Yeah, the lights are not open. They are intended to be closed, I guess. But this is, again, is your, oh, there you go. I just opened the lights. I'm spanning one more time, guys, so you can appreciate the openness of this model home. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. And before we end the video, please don't forget to subscribe down below so that you won't miss any of my videos. And if you missed them, there is a playlist on the channel page that you can check out, because there is a lot of model homes that I toured already, so please enjoy them for free. And also don't forget to comment down below what do you think of this model home, and also like this video. And until next time, really appreciate you guys commenting on the video and writing up anything that you feel free to write anything. Everyone is welcome. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great and amazing day.